Okay, now we will move on to the second paragraph of our floor. So in the second paragraph, we begin with our body paragraph. So the second paragraph is the beginning of our body paragraph. In the body paragraph, we start to introduce our school facilities. So which school facilities you want to show the exchange students? Also, we would also introduce our school clubs. And you can also introduce your daily life. What is the life like in your secondary school? So these three things we are going to talk about. So in the second paragraph, we begin with the sentence pattern. Step number one, we talk about the school facility. This time the school facilities is lockers. So we will begin with the sentence, look, pointing to the locker, telling the readers, there are lockers. And if you talk about one facility, we don't use there are, we use there is. So you can talk about different other facilities, not only about lockers. It can be your school hall, your classroom, the ICT room, the music room, or the outdoor playground, tuck shop, etc. So show me your favorite or the school facilities that you go to most often. And then in the first part, you also tell people, here is mine. 呢個就係我嘅 locker 啦。And you are going to do something. So in the video, you don't only talk, you are doing something, having some action. So let me do something. This time, you are opening the locker. And then the reader can see what is inside the locker. So, as you can see, is the third sentence. 你可以睇到啦，依家 as you can see, there are a lot of textbooks inside. So we show what's inside. This is step number one. Okay, step number one. In step number two, we usually ask our readers questions. So why do we ask questions? Because we want to engage with the readers. In Chinese, we call it 同啲觀眾互動. So we ask them the questions. And of course, we answer the question by ourselves. So in here, we begin our question by why do. So why or what or when, all the other question words you can use. So why do I love my locker? Question mark. And after the question, you answer the question by yourself. Well, and here goes your answers. The answer is, it is convenient for me. 好方便嘅. So this is step number two, asking a question and giving the answers. Step number three, you talk about what you usually do with the school facilities. So with the locker, you carry all the books inside the locker daily, every day. So what are you going to do daily? And why is it good to have that school facilities? In here, it is good because you will not hurt your back. You don't need to carry all the books. So in the third part, you talk about what you do every day in the school facilities. And number two, what is good or what is the use of the school facilities? The last part, why do you like the school facilities? So in here, you like it because you can protect your back and all around the day. So this is the second paragraphs. You need to write 3 steps. Okay, 3 steps.